you the total for what new buildings.
Ka Seng BJP ka balong ka ba ka Seng ka ba ompat la man Treikam ha ka Jylla hadu minta ka langit scam bahkan sap yok hur kumbalai pusan teli ki jingjob ha ka election ka ban salong ha ka ba sangut ki MLA ki long ki bala penkre ban penyaso bat ka BJP ha benai no pra. Habay keren berkilat pathai kubor hadian bala Plie patba ya ka Ophis Treikam Jong ka Seng ha Jyll road Presiden ka Seng BJP Jong ka Jylla ba Ernest Mauri ula pentikna ba laingot ki MLA kinsawan ban penyaso bat ka BJP ha ka tayo baningkong Jong ubanai uban sawan kat ba arngot pat ki MLA kidang penlong ka jingi keren bat ka Seng. Uba Mauri ula pentip bai kini ki MLA ki dina ka Seng TMC bat ki wei ki Seng. Kat ba ha North Shillong constituency la don uba M Karkrang bat uba Michael Karsentiu belawan benyeng na ka BJP Henry ka Syong ha ka Seng yano kan jet kum ukertong na ka tei ka constituency.
Remain here till after 2023. Doesn't mean that election is completed. We have won the seat and this office will be closed. This office will continue to remain. For the simple reason that the elected member from North Shillong constituency, he will come here and meet the people from this side, and there are sometimes that he will be the other side. I will not expect the people from here to come all the way to the other side to voice your grievances, to meet your MLA. This is going to be a permanent office of the BJP.